Are you struggling to discover what today's daily fitness routines are? You need to watch this if you struggle with fitness confusion. Hey folks, have you ever found yourself totally overwhelmed by the sheer amount of fitness information out there? It's like a never-ending flood of advice, tips and routines. It's like everyone's got a routine, a new workout, a different diet they swear by. From high-intensity interval training to yoga, from keto to vegan diets, the options are endless. It can make your head spin, man. The more you look, the more confusing it gets. Are you struggling to discover what today's daily fitness routines are? Are you feeling lost in a sea of conflicting advice? Are you bombarded with endless options, different gurus telling you conflicting information? It's like every expert has a different opinion. It's enough to make you want to just say, screw it, and grab another bag of chips. Sometimes it feels easier to just give up, but hold on. Before you give in to the siren song of the snack aisle, we need to talk. There's a better way to navigate this fitness maze. We need to break through the noise and get real about what works and what doesn't. It's time to cut through the clutter. We need to separate the bro science from the real science. Let's focus on evidence-based practices. That's what we're diving into today. We're going to explore the truth behind the trends. We're going deep on the pros and cons of today's hottest fitness routines. From the latest fads to time-tested methods, we'll cover it all. We'll uncover the truth behind the hype and give you the no BS information you need to make informed decisions about your body and your health. No more guesswork. So buckle up, because things are about to get interesting. Let's get started on this journey to find what truly works for you. And let's talk about mental health, man. It's huge. We all know exercise is good for the body, but it's insane how much it impacts your brain. It's like hitting the reset button on your mind. Stress, anxiety, all that crap that builds up. Exercise helps melt it away. Think about it. You're out there pushing your limits, sweating, breathing hard. Your body's releasing endorphins, these natural mood boosters. It's like your brain is getting a chemical bath of feel-good juice. And it's not just a temporary thing. Studies show that regular exercise can actually change the structure of your brain, making it more resilient to stress. It's like building armor for your mind. And the best part, you don't need some crazy intense workout to reap the benefits. Even a brisk walk in nature, getting some sunlight and fresh air, can do wonders. It's about finding what works for you, something you enjoy, and making it a consistent part of your life. Trust me, your brain will thank you for it. Okay, let's get real for a second. We live in a crazy, busy world. Everyone's juggling a million things, work, family, social life, trying to maintain some semblance of sanity. It's a lot, man, and squeezing in a daily workout, that can feel impossible sometimes. You got deadlines looming, kids to pick up, errands to run. Who has time for the gym? And let's not even get started on the whole meal prep thing. It's like a part-time job. I get it, the struggle is real, but here's the thing. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to see results. You can get a killer workout in just 30 minutes, even 20 minutes if you're efficient. It's about working smarter, not harder. And you know what? Sometimes life throws you curveballs. You miss a workout, you eat a donut, it happens. Don't beat yourself up about it. Just get back on track when you can. Consistency is key, but it doesn't have to be perfect. Chapter 3, Enhanced Physical Health, Building a Better You, all right? Let's talk about the physical benefits of exercise. This is where it gets really interesting. We're talking about building a stronger, more resilient, more badass version of yourself. Regular exercise is like giving your body a superpower upgrade. You're increasing your strength, your endurance, your cardiovascular health. You're building muscle, burning fat, improving your metabolism. It's like fine-tuning a high-performance machine. And the benefits go way beyond just looking good in the mirror. We're talking about reducing your risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes. We're talking about improving your bone density, your balance, your flexibility. We're talking about feeling more energetic, more alive, more capable of taking on whatever life throws your way. And here's the thing, it's never too late to start. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting out, your body has this incredible ability to adapt and improve. It's all about taking that first step and then another and another. Chapter 4, Risk of Injury, Training Smart versus Training Hard. Let's talk about the elephant in the room, the risk of injury. It's something every athlete, whether a beginner or a pro, has to consider. Look, I love pushing my limits as much as the next guy, but we gotta be smart about it. It's not just about how hard you train, but how smart you train, because when it comes to exercise, there's a fine line between pushing yourself and pushing yourself too far. Knowing your limits is crucial. You go too hard, too fast, without proper form. You're setting yourself up for failure. You're practically begging for an injury, and injuries don't just hurt your body, they can mess with your mind too, and trust me, I've been there. Injuries suck. They can be demoralizing and frustrating. They sideline you, they mess with your head, they can set you back weeks, even months. Recovery is a long and often painful process. So how do you avoid becoming a statistic? How do you ensure that you stay on the path to your fitness goals without unnecessary setbacks? First off, listen to your body. It's your best guide. Pain is not weakness leaving the body, it's a warning sign. Don't ignore it, address it before it becomes a bigger issue. Second, start slow and gradually increase the intensity. Build a solid foundation before you push the limits. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a ripped physique. Patience and consistency are key, and most importantly, focus on proper form. Quality over quantity, always. Proper technique can prevent a world of hurt. It's better to do 10 perfect push-ups than 20 sloppy ones. Precision matters. Remember, you're in this for the long haul. Your fitness journey is a marathon, not a sprint. Train smart, not just hard, and you'll reap the rewards for years to come. Your future self will thank you. Chapter 5. Better sleep quality, unlocking the power of rest. We've talked about the mental and physical benefits of exercise, but there's another huge benefit that often gets overlooked. Sleep, that's right. Regular exercise can dramatically improve your sleep quality. It's one of the most natural ways to enhance your rest. And we all know how important sleep is. It's essential for our overall well-being and daily functioning. It's when your body repairs itself, rebuilds muscle, consolidates memories. Sleep is the foundation of a healthy lifestyle. It's like hitting the reset button on your entire system. A good night's sleep can rejuvenate your mind and body. But here's the thing, a lot of people struggle with sleep. Insomnia and restless nights are more common than you might think. They're tossing and turning all night, waking up feeling groggy and exhausted. This can affect your mood, energy levels, and productivity. Exercise can help with that. It can be a powerful tool to combat sleep issues. When you exercise, you're depleting your energy stores, which signals to your body that it needs to rest and recover. This natural fatigue can help you fall asleep more easily. This can lead to falling asleep faster, sleeping more soundly, and waking up feeling more refreshed. It's a cycle of positive reinforcement, and it's not just about the physical exertion. The mental benefits of exercise play a crucial role too. Exercise can also help reduce stress and anxiety, which are major sleep disruptors. Lowering stress levels can make it easier to unwind at night, so if you're struggling to get a good night's sleep, incorporating regular exercise into your routine could be a game changer. It might be the missing piece in your quest for better rest. You might be surprised at how much better you feel, both physically and mentally. The benefits of exercise extend far beyond just fitness. Outro, the choice is yours. So there you have it, folks, the pros and cons of today's daily fitness routines. We've covered a lot of ground, from the brain-boosting power of exercise to the importance of sleep. But ultimately, the decision of whether or not to incorporate a daily fitness routine into your life is a personal one. There's no right or wrong answer. It's about what works for you, your body, and your lifestyle. But I'll leave you with this. Imagine yourself a year from now. You're feeling healthier, stronger, more confident, you're sleeping better, thinking clearer, and you have more energy than ever before. Is that someone you'd like to meet? The choice is yours. Now, I'm going to go crush this kale smoothie. Until next time. Until next